Everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from RCFL, Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizer Limited. When you will go to the official website of RCFL Ltd.com, so here you can see one recruitment for the post of management trainee, chemical, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, civil, okay, and industrial engineering, marketing, other branches are mentioned here. So when we will click here, we can see, okay, the details are mentioned here. We can just click here and we can see the detailed advertisement. So let's come to the detailed advertisement here. So when I'm talking about RCFL, so this is a Navratna company first of all, okay, and dear students, they are going to recruit for the post of the management trainee, okay, in officers category. Which one? The first is management trainee chemical is also mentioned here. Number of vacancies are 51. Okay, the reservation category is mentioned here. According to the category wise, you can just see. When I'm coming to the next one is management trainee mechanical. So when here in the mechanical, total number of vacancies are 30. Category wise division is mentioned here. What is the essential qualification? Regular and full-time 4-year BE Tech degree is required. Graduate in mechanical engineering, okay, and other than it's mentioned regular and full-time dual integrated allied degree is also, or if you are having 3-year regular and full-time BE Tech engineering graduate in mechanical discipline from UGC or AICT approved after 3-year regular and full-time diploma. So if a student is there only with the BE Tech, you can apply. If you are there with the diploma plus BE Tech, then also you can apply. But in both the cases, both should be in the regular medium. Okay, it's clearly mentioned here. Now minimum percentage is also mentioned. The candidate should have secured minimum 60% marks in the final year of engineering graduation, 55% for the SC/ST category. So very easily you guys can just see the detail and you can just apply here. This is for the mechanical. Same for the electrical management training, number of vacancies 27. The criteria is same. BE Tech in electrical can apply here. Okay, or the second thing is here diploma student there, 3-year diploma plus 3-year degree of the BE Tech can also apply with the minimum 60% marks. Okay, it's clearly mentioned. Now the maximum age limit is here. The upper age limit will be 27 years for the unreserved in EWS. For SC/ST category it is 32 years. So just check it out, the details also. Then management training instrumentation, total number of vacancies 18. The eligibility is same here. BE Tech in instrumentation is required here. Okay, maximum age limit is also same, 27 here. Okay, civil is also there. Number of vacancies are 4 and total number of recruitment is also mentioned here. BE Tech in civil plus diploma or degree in civil is also eligible with the 60% marks. Okay, so I think this is the first thing. Now this is all other branches are also mentioned, industrial engineering, and you can just check it out. Now when I'm coming to the next thing, marketing is also available. You can just check here. Okay, this is a very long PDF of 46 pages. So we can see every detail is mentioned here. We need to just check. Okay, so age limit, age relaxation is also there according to the rule of the government of India. You can just check it out. That also it's mentioned. Reservation is also there according to the rule of government of India. It will be possible. Date of eligibility criteria, as I already told you. Yeah, application fees. So non-refundable application fees of ₹1000, okay, plus bank charges and applicable taxes if their GST is there. Management trainee are required to paid by the general OBS in EWS category. Now other than this, here the pay either through internet banking account or credit card, debit card. So it's clearly mentioned no other mode of payment of application fee would be accepted. What is this? Candidate can opt to pay either through internet banking account or credit or the debit card. Okay, candidates are therefore advised to. Now here one more thing, SC/ST, PWD, ex-servicemen, female categories are not required to pay any application fees. So if you are from these categories, then you will be exempted from the application fees. Nature of job for the management trainee, it's mentioned here. What is the shift can be there, night shift is there, rotating shift is there, so everything is mentioned here. Now salary and other benefits of selected candidates for the post of MT management trainee will go for the 1-year training and will be offered a lump sum stipend of ₹30,000 per month during the training also. Free lodging facility will be provided at the company's hostel. Okay, and after the management trainee posted in the location other than the Trombay and Thal, shall be entitled a fixed allowances ₹22,500 per month toward boarding also. So this they are talking about in terms of the training period. Okay, now after successful completion of 1 year training, they will be absorbed in E1 grade in the scale pay of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Minimum total monthly gross emoluments will be 81,000. It's clearly mentioned, which is having basic pay plus VDA plus perks plus HRA and other allowances, which works out to 81,000 approximately. Okay, now selection process for the position of management trainee comprise of online test and personal interview. So they are not recruiting on the basis of GATE scorecard. The medium of selection, the mode of selection will be online test plus personal interview, dear students. It's clearly mentioned here. Now what about the online test? Here you can see, so eligible candidates will be required to appear for the CBT computer based test information, which will be provided in the admit card only. Position of management trainee, the online test will be conducted at the centers in the cities of Bhopal, Delhi, NCR, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Guwahati, and so on. It's mentioned. You can just check. Medium of test will be Hindi and English both. No request for changes of admission. It's mentioned here. Okay. Then examination will be conducted online in venues given in the respective call letter. This is also mentioned. Now this is about the paper. The online test will have two parts. Discipline related means your branch related and aptitude related. Duration of test will be 90 minutes. The total number of questions will be 100, out of which 50 questions would be from mix of course curriculum of qualifying degree, mixed courses of your BE Tech. Okay, relevant of 2 marks each, and 50 questions from general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, and general knowledge or awareness of 1 mark each. There will be negative marking for wrong answer. It's clearly mentioned. Okay, so it's mentioned more detail. You will see here at the official website. Online test shall be communicated through the admit card they will give you, and you can just check it out here. Okay, so now candidates reporting late, it's mentioned. Then identity verification is also there. After that, based on the performance of the candidates in the online test, eligible candidates will be provisionally called for the personal interview, and after basis on these two, the final merit list will be there, and then you will be finally shortlisted. Okay, finally selection will be there. So I think this is the final selection. This is the criteria. Online test 80% weightage, personal interview 20% weightage, total will be 100%. That's why it's clearly mentioned here. So how to apply, the process is mentioned. Please go through the details, dear student. Each and every detail you need to read it out. Okay, just follow the process also, what is mentioned here, how to apply, how to upload the images, how to upload the photographs, how to upload the documents. Everything is mentioned here. Just go through with each and every detail. Okay, so I think I cover almost everything here. If there is any other thing, you can just check it out in this one. Now the important thing is the date again. So date is already started from the 8th June. The last date for online registration of application by candidates will be 1st July 5 p.m. So before 1st July, you guys can check it out. Okay, in the comment box, we will mention the link of this PDF. So you will get, you can just consider, you can just read again each and every detail, and you can apply accordingly. For more details, for more videos like this one, stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel. And still you guys not subscribe our channel, then just do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.